Start.
Uh, this place was located near the JCB company, and the crime scene has happened in the Exerbia Ambi Talegaon MIDC. This crime scene has taken place at the first floor. The flat number is A5116. The owner name is Neha Sharma.
So here we are going to do a walkthrough of the crime scene. This walkthrough, the benefits of the walkthrough is to identify the crime scene, and this also helps to identify which searching method should be used, and also to photograph the crime scene, which will help in doing the sketching at last.
The crime has occurred in the Exerbia Society, A5116 flat number. The deceased body is lying on the floor. There are different more evidences like the notepad which is present on the dining table, then the suicide note which is just next to the notepad, then the rope which is hanging to the fan which is being seen, and the chair which is being fallen on the floor. There is a notepad which has been present on the dining table, and just next to that there is a suicide note. Then the diary is also present. The rope which has been hanging to the fan. Then a chair which has been fallen on the floor next to the deceased person, and the deceased person body is lying on the floor.
174 CRPC, that is the police to inquire and report on suicide, etc. When the officer in charge of a police station or some other police officer specially empowered by the state government in that behalf receives information that the person has committed suicide or has been killed by another, or by an animal, or by machinery, or by an accident, or has died under circumstances raising a reasonable suspicion that some other person has committed an offence, he shall immediately give information thereof to the nearest executive magistrate empowered to hold inquest, and unless otherwise directed by any rule prescribed by the state government or by any general or special order of the district of subdivisional magistrate, shall proceed to the place where the body of a such deceased person is, and there in the person of two or more respectable inhabitants of the neighborhood, shall make an investigation and draw up a report of apparent cause of death, describing such wounds, fractures, bruises, and other marks of injury as may be found on the body, and stating in what manner or by what weapon or instrument, if any present, such as appear have been inflicted. The report shall be signed by such officer, police officer, and other person, or by so many of them as counsel therein, and shall be forwarded to the district magistrate or the subdivisional magistrate. When in the case involves suicide by a woman within 7 years of her marriage, or the case related to the death of a woman within 7 years of her marriage in any circumstances raising a reasonable suspicion that some other person committed an offence in relation to such a woman, or in the case related to the death of a woman within 7 years of her marriage, and any relative of that woman has made a request in behalf of, or there is any doubt regarding to the case of death, or the police officer for any other reason considered it expedient so to do, he shall subject to such a rules as the state government may prescribe in this behalf, forward the body within a view to its being examined to the nearest civil surgeon or other qualified medical man appointed in this behalf by the state government, if the state of the weather the distance admit of its being so forwarded without risk of such a putrefaction on the road as would render such examination unless the following magistrates are empowered to hold inquest, namely the district manager of sub-divisional magistrate and any other executive magistrate specially empowered in this behalf by the state government or the district magistrate. In addition, section 176 in CRPC, inquiry by magistrate into cause of death when the case is one of the nature referred to clause 1 or clause 2 of a subsection 3 of section 174, the nearest magistrate empowered to hold inquest shall, and in any other case mentioned in subsection 1 of section 174, any magistrate so empowered may hold an inquiry into the cause of death either instead of or in addition so the investigation held by the police officer, and if he does so he shall have all the powers to conducting it when he would have in holding in inquiry into an offence.
The disease body is claimed in the blue sari. This is the disease body. She is the female. Her description: she is the fair in color. Her height is 4 feet 11 inch. Now the injury mass. The first one injury mass is the pectical hemorrhage. That is the blood in the eyes. Second one is the oozing blood from the nose, and third one is the tongue bitten in between the teeth. After that, the lesion on the neck, around the neck. This mark is due to the rope hang on her neck. Then cyanosis of the lips, that is the bluish of color. Cyanosis of the fingernails. Cyanosis of the toes, that is the bluish color of the toes. Then the hesitation marks on the left hand and on the right ankle.
Report of investigation under section 174 CRPC on the body of person dead at Exerbia Ambi, room number 116. On the date of 4 December. Height
4 feet 9 inch.
color
Fair.
descriptive mark
Height is 4 feet 9 inch. Bob cut hair and short heighted.
married or single.
Married.
State of cause if any wound or particular thereof and list of all property found on the corpse.
प्रॉपर्टी नहीं उसकी नहीं. No jewelry found.
Description of exact spot where corpse was found.
Left. Left side. अच्छा under fan. Bed.
In bedroom under beneath the fan.
In bedroom under the fan. Per picture.
If wound or particulars thereof and list of all property found on the corpse.
In bedroom under the fan.
Apparent cause of death.
Apparent cause of death is strangulation by ligature.
Is by violence or apparently by what weapon?
Ligature by ligature.
If any person suspected, who and why?
In husband in-laws.
If corpse is not sent for medical examination, why?
Yes. It will be sent soon.
By whose order corpse was buried or burned?
No, not relevant.
Opinion of Panchayatas as to cause and manner of death.
Strangulation.
Strangulation marks ligature.
Signature of such panchayat as occurrence with the above opinion.
हाँ तो सिग्नेचर कर देंगे. Signature.
SHO sign.